I apologize for the difference in video. My document camera is apparently dead or wackoed somehow, so I'm using a backup webcam setup. This problem is on converting of temperatures, so we're starting with 212 Fahrenheit to degrees C. This is going to be boiling point of water, and we know that it should come out to be 100 degrees C. Now, the book gives a couple of formulas, Kelvin to or Celsius to Kelvin, which is very simple and straightforward, and Fahrenheit to centigrade, and then I've worked out over here simply by rearranging this equation I get the centigrade to Fahrenheit equation. Okay, problem A, 212 Fahrenheit to degrees C. So we're going to be going from Fahrenheit to C. A, 212 Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8 equals, and I hope you can see this, 212 minus 32 equals 180, and then we're going to divide that by 1.8 equals, and we get exactly 100. And that's what we should get. All right, B. 22C to Kelvin, approximately room temperature, 2 degrees Kelvin. Kelvin is the Celsius temperature or the centigrade temperature plus 273.15. Since we don't have a decimal in this temperature, we can ignore the 0.15 here. So we'll have Kelvin equals 22 plus 273 equals, clear, 22 plus 273 equals 295. Kelvins. We do not use a degree symbol for kelvins. C. 0 kelvins, absolute 0, which we really can't quite achieve, to Fahrenheit. So we're going to go from here Celsius to Fahrenheit, but we don't have Celsius, do we? We have kelvins, so we have to go, it's a two-step process. So our Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 degrees C plus 32 equals 1.8. And if our kelvins are Celsius plus 273, then Celsius is going to be kelvins minus 273. So we will subtract, and then we'll add back 32 degrees Fahrenheit. 1.8 times 0 minus 273, or a negative 273, plus 32 equals all right, let's put this over to the side slightly, and we have negative 273, 273, change the sign, and then we will multiply that times 1.8 equals plus 32 equals minus 459, and that is negative 459 degrees Fahrenheit. And D, Kelvin to centigrade or Celsius. D, 2.735 kelvins to degrees C. Degrees C will be equal to kelvins minus 273. Degrees C is equal to kelvins minus 273.15, and so we're going to have 2.735 the average temperature of the universe. Subtract from that 273.15. Now, the significant figures come in where we have 3 digits or 3 decimal places here and 2 decimal places here. And let's go ahead and do it on the calculator, and then we'll do it in a longhand version to show you where to cut off. Alright, go ahead and clear that. And 2.735 minus 273.15 equals, so it's negative 270.415, and then we have to round it to get the right number of decimal places. So let me set up a different one over here to the side, and we'll line up our decimal places. 2.735, and we will subtract 273.15. Now, notice this one is all alone out here. So, that's as far as we can go with that. Our answer of negative 270.415, well, we have to round here, and so our answer is negative 270.42. We lose a significant figure in that subtraction.